Good afternoon, folks. Doing challenge for Grayson. This is for the Donovan Mitchell lot. Winner takes all. Challenge. Live. And our list has Lane to MA. Got the list in of the randomizer at 4:29 PM local time. Lane on top and MA at the bottom. Dice roll of 2 dice, no snake eyes. We're going 10 times. Of course we are. Good luck. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 times MA on top. One more time. 430. Congrats to. Build the suspense. Can't you randomizer? Spot 7. It's Andrew picking it up. Had to go 10 times. Did go 10 times. There's your verification code at the bottom. Spot 7. Andrew, congrats. Challenge complete.